In today's video, you will learn how to get Canva Pro for free. To begin, Canva can be accessed through the desktop platform or through the mobile app on Android devices. Once the platform loads, you can continue by selecting the option to start designing for free. This takes you into the account setup and login process, where Canva will prepare your workspace and available design tools. The next part of the process is important. You will need to sign in using a new account that has not previously been connected to Canva before. This can be done using a new email address during the sign-up process. After logging into the new account, Canva may display an offer that allows you to try Canva Pro for free for a limited period of time. Once the free trial option appears, continue by selecting the trial offer on the screen. Canva typically provides access to premium features for around 30 days during this trial period. This gives users temporary access to additional templates, premium graphics, advanced editing tools, background removal features, brand kits, and other professional design options included with Canva Pro. As you continue through the setup, you may be asked to select a subscription plan before activating the free trial. During this stage, the platform may display that the current amount due is $0 because the billing period does not begin immediately during the trial window. Continue through the process to move to the payment setup section. At this point, Canva may ask you to add a payment method such as a credit card or PayPal account. The platform explains that charges will not begin until after the trial period ends. You will also usually see information explaining that the subscription can be canceled before the billing date if you decide not to continue with the paid plan after the free trial expires. After the setup is complete, Canva Pro becomes active on the account, and you can begin using the premium features immediately. The dashboard and editing tools will look similar to the free version, but you will now have access to the expanded Pro library and additional customization features. That is the complete process for getting access to the Canva Pro free trial. Once activated, you can explore the premium tools, create projects, and decide whether the upgraded features fit your workflow before the trial period ends. Thank you for watching.